Good morning. What's good, YouTube, my people? It's been a week, and I haven't dropped a video since um, my last freaking series that I had, right, in terms of getting the funded account. But as you guys see by the title of this video, it's been a rough October, right? We've had a hard time trading, and it's just been, things haven't been going exactly the way we wanted it to, and that's fine. And I wanted to share some of the lessons that I've learned from the way I've been trading, that's brought me in this type of situation, right? And just how to get better from it, my plan for moving forward, and really getting things locked down and stuff. So in October, overall this month, I lost about four funded accounts, right? It's been like, you know, back to back weeks of red weeks, red days. I had like three red days in a row, things like that. I'm gonna go through the reasons why, um, it's been like this, and it's all been my fault, right? I haven't been doing following my rules that I set for myself. I've been chasing. I've been really impulsive and stuff. So things that I'm still working on, and it causes you to lose accounts and stuff like that. So that's what's been going on. So I'm gonna share some of those stuff with you guys, and we'll just dive a little bit deeper into it. I'm gonna talk about the plan moving forward, and yeah, and then we'll just continue. We'll go from there and continue this journey together. All right, so I got my hefty load notebook right here because I wrote some of this stuff down so that I don't remember. But no particular order, right? The very first thing I want to talk about is with the funded accounts, right? Not having enough drawdown left after taking out a payout, right? So one of the reasons I lost two accounts is because I was copy trading them, and I only had about $1,000 left in drawdown. I left on there because I'm like, damn, I'm gonna take as much as I can out of the accounts, right? But when you do that, you have to take into account that that's all you have left. So one, two, three bad days in a row, that account is gone, and that's exactly what happened, right? And I wasn't even copy trading them. So yeah, it's been crazy. So I think moving forward, there's gonna be I need to leave a nice cushion. I'm not really gonna do the 50Ks anymore. I'm probably gonna do the 100Ks. I'm still thinking about that part, right? But um, it's not, you need a little bit more drawdown. Maybe it's 2K in there, maybe it's 3K in there. You need a nice cushion that you can leave on there, right? But at the same time, not feel so bad if you lose that money, right? So I'm trying to figure out where that in between is, in order for me to really be like, okay, I'm okay with losing this if this happens, three, four red days in a row, whatever. But yeah, I need to leave a lot more drawdown on there. $1,000 definitely doesn't work, especially the way I trade with those larger stop losses, things like that, trying to let my trades run. So yeah, that's something we're gonna be working on. We're trying to figure out the middle part, right? Like what works best. What's the best drawdown size to leave on that account, before continuing, especially after taking a payout and things like that. So that's one of the things that caused me to lose two accounts in the past 2 weeks or so. All right, the biggest thing I have been doing wrong is key levels. I have not been taking trades at key levels. I've been some of my key levels, which I've shared with you guys, are midnight settlement, previous day high, previous day low, daily fib, things like that, right? Like I'm London session lows, highs, Asia session lows, highs. Like I have not been properly taking my trades at those turning points, right? What I've been doing is really hesitating to take them because for some reason I've been feeling the need to not trust my levels, and then the trade would start playing out, and then I would chase it, right? And I'm looking for a bigger move. I'm looking for 50 points. I'm looking for 100 points, and when you're not catching the top or the bottom of that trend, or whatever is happening, during that time of that trade, it's less likely, especially with the price action we've been getting during New York session. it's very not likely that you're gonna get 50 to 100 points, right? So I had to be very very careful on what trades I've taken, and a lot of times, I'm taking these trades in the middle of price. They're going 20, 30 points in my favor, and then it's coming back on me very quickly, stopping me out, sends me on tilt, things like that's been happening. So yeah, that's one of the major things that I haven't been doing. I haven't been taking my trades at key levels. Those are one of the rule breaks, and I made sure yesterday, the day before, like those are the things I'm focusing on, right? Like, hey, you're only hitting that buy or sell button at a key level. If it's not a key level, don't touch it. Don't touch it. And if it's not a key level on NASDAQ, Dow or ES, like you just have to, one of them could be at a key level, right? So just paying attention to that, what could be happening and things like that too. So that's one of the biggest things that caused me to lose another, a lot of trades, causing me to lose another account and things like that. Lastly, the biggest thing that's been happening is bad price action. So, and again, it's my fault, right? I choose my session, and I trade New York session, right? I trade New York session, and what we've noticed in the charts is that London has been bringing in the high a lot these past all October, basically, right? London has been bringing in the high, and we've seen those big 200-300 point moves during London, and then New York just does like a little continuation, and then we consolidate and things like that, right? So it hasn't been great, and I know a lot of you guys have been noticing that too. I watch a lot of my fellow YouTubers and things like that. I know what's been happening, and I've been going through the same struggles where it's like, damn, like what's going on? Where's my 200 point move? Where's my 300 point move? It's just not happening anymore, right? And that's one of the biggest things that I've been struggling with all October. It's consolidating, obviously, for a bigger move, and that's okay. But I have to notice that, right, and know that, maybe I have to aim for less points, right? Get in and out the market. Those are things that I've been doing. Not holding my trade so long, expecting a 200-300 point run. And things like that, right? So, and over the past 2 weeks, I think we've had like maybe 2 to 3 days where we had 300 plus points New York session. It hasn't happened like it was before, like the past few months, where like it's been great. We making money, Market's dropping 300 points, it's skyrocketing 100 points, 400 points. We're at all-time highs. Woo, everything's easy. But when we start, after expansion, comes that little consolidation. When we start doing this, you have to figure out how to get in and get out of there, right? So just figuring out how to trade those, or really following the rule that I set in with not trading at all during those days, right? For example, this week, I think it was, Thursday. Thursday was horrible in the morning, and I got chopped the fuck up in that morning, right? It's literally just NQ was in the 60 point range, and it was just and I got murdered. I was hitting that buy, I was hitting that sell, I was hitting that buy till I was like, all right, let me stop before I blow another account. You feel me? So, and it's been happening, and this is a Thursday. You feel me? Like Thursday is like those days where you expect like a nice trending day, right? Where it's likely to be a trending day, and that's been happening, and it's just been crazy. So, that's one of the things that that's really messed up some of those accounts that I've had, and I can't blame it on anyone because I still chose to trade that day, right? So you have to take accountability and responsibility for when you do make those mistakes, right? I let that impulsiveness get to me. I trade those sessions and I get chopped up. Like maybe lately we've seen that 8 a.m. move. It's been pretty nicely at NQ, so maybe it's waking up a little bit earlier, getting things on earlier, so I could be on the charts by 8. Maybe I could catch that 8 o'clock move, right? Just little things that I'm working on tweaking, but I know those are the things that I'm messing up in my trading that I really need to fix. So those are some of the problems I've been having. Like I said, I've lost 4 accounts, and that's okay. Like I'm expanding my horizon a little bit. I'll share that on another video with you guys. It's very awesome, very, very exciting and things. So, we'll share that on another video. But those are some of the things that's really been hindering my trading. these past few weeks, this month of October. All right, so going forward, I plan to just reset, slow the fuck down, and basically kind of restart all over again, right? In October so far, the only money I've made has been from option trading. I think I took about like $500 out of my account, and that's really what I've made so far for trading, right? I haven't taken any payouts in October from futures prop firms. So you know, we'll update that balance sheet on there. There's really not a video to be made on that, on the MyRoll sheet that I share with you guys, because I didn't make any money, right? I didn't, and it's crazy, like you had a great month and then you come in here this month and make $0 and actually lose, might be, you know, negative, because I bought like 2 combines, so for like $100, maybe, no, that's only like $200. So maybe I'm still good. Maybe I'm still good for October, into maybe I'm up like $300 or whatever. But I haven't taken any payouts and things, so it's been a struggle. It's been a rough month, and I could say, hey, that's part of trading, right? I get it. Like you're not gonna win every month, but I've made a lot of mistakes. It's not like I've just been losing because I took a trade and it didn't work in my favor. No, I was taking impulsive trades. I was chasing price. I'm trading on bad price action days where I'm not supposed to be trading and things like that. You know, and those are all my fault. So I take responsibility for that. What I'm gonna do is really just slow down a little bit, reset, get a few more accounts, and just really, you know, work my way back to having a better end of this month. I got next week. Maybe next week just work on combines and getting those back, and then going into November, you know, I can scale up a little bit. So really excited for this upcoming month. I really want to finish the year strong. Try to get to that 5K. We were so close last month. I think we were at like 3,800 last month, and now we're back to 0. So November, we gotta put our foot on the gas, man. We gotta step it up. We gotta step it up and get right. We gotta step it up and get right. And yeah, we'll move forward. We'll continue. So yeah, that's really all I have for you guys today. Really excited. I got some things on the way for the channel in terms of gear. I got something that I'm dropping soon. Next time I do a video, I have to wait for it to come in first. Next time I do a video, I'm gonna have it on, and I'll share with you guys. I'll post that on the YouTube. You guys can see it. You could support that way my journey and things. So you know, we'll keep grinding forward. I'll keep dropping information. Let me know what you guys want to talk about next. I know I'm just sharing you know, my losses with you guys, but I really want to talk about a little bit more. You know, what you guys want to learn, things like that, what I'm doing right, some of those things too, and any new information that I have. Let me know what you guys want to talk about, and I'll make a video on it. I saw some option stuff, but I think I really want my channel to be focused on futures, or maybe trading overall. I don't know. I'm still figuring it out. We'll see. But yeah, let me know what you guys want to talk about, and then you know, drop those in the comments. I still haven't heard from our 50K combine winner. So I forgot his name, but I dropped the winner in the post notification thing on my YouTube. What I'll do is drop the person's name under this video too. And yeah, hit me up on Instagram. Let me know so we could get that sorted out. All right. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. Thank you again, and we will see you later.